Hi guys, welcome to Control Shift Eat and today we are going to make a very creamy and rich recipe that is chicken changezi. So without wasting any time, let's move on to the recipe. So to start with the recipe, first I have here 400 grams of chicken, medium sized chicken. To this I'm adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of curd. To this I'm adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can increase the quantity if you want. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now mix all the ingredients properly so that our marinade is uniform, and keep it aside for around 30 minutes. In a kadai, I am taking around 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. To this I am adding 2 medium onion thinly sliced. Now saute it well till the edges turn brown. So it should look something like this. Now to this I'm adding cashew nuts, around 12, and around 5 almonds. Mix it well for around 2 minutes. Now let it cool down completely before you blend it in a mixie jar. I've transferred the contents to a mixie jar. To this I'm adding half a cup of milk, and I'll be blending it to a fine paste. It should look something like this. So now moving on to our next step, I'm heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadhai. To this I'll be adding chicken which was marinated for around 30 minutes. So we will cook the chicken on medium flame till it is 75 to 80% done. In a separate pan, I'm heating 1 tablespoon of ghee, and to this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Saute it well for around 2 minutes or till the raw smell of the ginger garlic disappears. Now to this we'll add tomato puree, around 1 cup, and we'll cook it till the water in the tomato dries up and it looks something like this. To this we'll add onions and nuts paste that we made earlier and 1 teaspoon of dhania powder. Give it a nice mix. Roast the dhania powder for around 2 minutes. Next, we'll add some red chili powder, around half a teaspoon. Notice that we've already added red chili powder to the marinade. I'm adding some salt to this. Combine all the ingredients properly, and to this we'll add the cooked chicken. So this chicken is 80% cooked. Combine it with the masala and saute it for around 2 minutes. Next we'll add some dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi to this and cover and cook it for around 10 minutes or till the chicken is done. So our chicken changezi is ready. So to top it off, I'm adding some chopped coriander leaves and some butter to give it that additional richness. I have added butter towards the end so that it retains its buttery flavor and that richness. So there you go, the chicken changezi is ready, or you can have it with chapati or rice. Hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.